Imagine building an interactive web app using only C#, no JavaScript required for most of your application. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what Blazor brings to .NET developers. But how is it different from React? Let's find out in under 3 minutes. What is React? React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. It runs directly inside your browser using JavaScript. When a user clicks a button, React updates only the parts of the page that changed using its virtual DOM, making applications fast and responsive. Because React focuses on the UI, developers often combine it with other libraries for routing, state management, and data fetching. What is Blazor? Blazor is Microsoft's framework for building interactive web applications with C# and .NET instead of JavaScript. With Blazor, you can write components, handle events, validate forms, and even call APIs using C#. There are 2 main hosting models. Blazor WebAssembly downloads your .NET application into the browser and runs it there. Blazor Server executes your code on the server and updates the browser in real time using SignalR. This lets .NET developers build full-stack applications while using the same language on both the client and server. React versus Blazor. Let's compare them. Language React uses JavaScript or TypeScript. Blazor uses C#. Code sharing. React typically requires separate front-end and back-end code bases. Blazor lets you share models, validation, and business logic between client and server. Performance React has a mature ecosystem and excellent client-side performance. Blazor WebAssembly has improved significantly and works well for many business applications, while Blazor Server offers fast startup with server-managed execution. Ecosystem React has one of the largest open-source ecosystems. Blazor integrates deeply with the .NET ecosystem and works especially well for enterprise applications. Which one should you choose? Choose React if you want the largest front-end ecosystem. You're building highly interactive, public-facing websites. Your team already works with JavaScript or TypeScript. Choose Blazor if you're a .NET developer. You want to use C# across the entire application. You're building dashboards, admin panels, internal tools, or enterprise software. Conclusion: neither framework is universally better. React dominates the JavaScript ecosystem. Blazor gives .NET developers a powerful way to build modern web applications using one language from front-end to back-end. The best choice depends on your team, your project, and the technologies you already know. If you found this helpful, follow for more quick videos on C#, ASP.NET Core, and Blazor.